Let me tell you my story. The day was 23rd of May 2020. I was playing cricket at a ground. Two girls came near to me and said to me, "Get away from our path, we are unable to see you, fat guy." I just suddenly respond to them and say, "How can you even say to me that?" They both said, "You actually know that you are fat, we know that you are fat, so why are you so shy?" And that time was like turning point of my life. I haven't said them both anything or the people around me anything. I just simply ran to my house and started crying. I had cried a lot, like for 2 to 3 hours straight. I cried, and that day I have decided that at time from 1st of June, the 23rd of May, when they said to me about that, and 1st of June, I was so dedicated in those 7 days. I have seen that a lots of video, like I have made a morning routine and my entire day routine. The routines look like that. I wake up at 4 a.m. I go for a run for 2 hours straight. My legs are like sore, and I come back at 6 a.m. and I straight up come to my terrace and I didn't have the dumbbells, so I used to fill water in a bucket and used to do exercises with them. And then 6 until the 7 o'clock I'll do my exercises, then I go down and prepare a meal for me, then I'll study, I'll see video for the whole day of how to get leaner and all stuff. And this is my routine. And for the 6 days straight I haven't eaten anything. From first of seven at seventh day, while I was working out at my terrace, suddenly I fell on the ground. That bucket of water just simply fell on me and I was wet. After an hour, when my parents didn't see me, when my father came to the terrace, and he immediately ran at me and picked up me, and then we went to hospital. I was hospitalized for 2 days. Yeah, for 2 days I'm on glucose, and then I'll be free, and I was free that time. So then doctor said me that for 7 days you have to take bed rest. I remember the date like it's been 20 of June when I started again workout. I had a fight in my house with my mom and my dad for asking that I have to do workout and all stuff. Uh, and actually in India, it's a thinking like if a person go to gym and do exercise and all in a young age, then yeah, his or her height will stop. Basically, this was all. Now, for from 20 of June till 1st of January 2023, I have exercised a lot. I have exercised every single day, and I went from 85 kg to 65 kgs. Yes, from 85 kgs I went to 65 kgs, and first time in 1st of June 2021, I have realized that money is also a very necessary thing to self-improvement. Basically, incident happened on 1st of June 2021, where me with my 4 or 5 friends are going to celebrate 21st 31st Jan 31st of December. So we are gathering money. We have to gather 500 rupees for each. I went to my father and said, "I want 500 rupees for this." She said no. Why? Because our work wasn't, because my father business wasn't doing well at that time. So I so I immediately, I fight with my father for that waste of time enjoyment. And then I went to my friends and said, like, no, I'm not coming. Then she said, then they all said that uh, you do this every single time, and etc etc. Then on 1st of January 2021, I was first introduced to share market. I don't remember why. I think I'm watching some news or somewhat like that. I have introduced to stock market. Bro, it's been 3 years and I had make over 10 lakhs in from stock market. No, I 50,000 rupees from stock market. Basically, I made 12 lakhs, but those 4.5 lakhs I have lost. So that's another stuff. So I was introduced to stock market, and the first thing that every single person do when he comes to stock market, like support and resistance. Support and resistance was the biggest ever see. No, I'm not going to tell you about like stock market stuff and all. It's just my story I'm telling you in brief. I've done support and resistance. I've tried every single strategy, like to make profit and to do trade in stock market. So that's all. For 1 year, for straight 1 year, I have read stock market. My grades was like shit, like 72, 79, 80, and all. Yeah, I was a 90 scoring kid that time. Before that, sorry. I exactly remember the date of 11 of January 2023. Self improvement I heard from Hamza Ahmad. You all guys know him, Hamza Ahmad. In 23rd of January 2021. Yeah, on 23rd of January 2021, I have seen the first video of Hamza. I don't remember what, but the word self improvement I have seen from him. Bro, he is the best YouTuber you can see. He was not like that bullshit and all. He was like me only. Uh, yeah, we can say I was like him. Yes, I'm like him. So that time I've seen Hamza, and I have tried to implement his stuff in my life, and it changed a lot. Uh, so now the day was 11th of January 2023. Basically the best incident of my life. What happened that day? I was playing I was playing football that time. Yeah. First time in my life I was playing football. Those two girls that have said be fat like came to me and said nice job and all, like best day of my life. I have enjoyed a lot. And that was the time I had having attraction with the girls. I was 13. I was 14 right now, going to 15. So first day of my life was 7 days later. 9 days later of that. It's been 20 of January 2021. My father had like zero trust on me. Basically that day I have took like 10 to 20k from my father. Yes, 10 to 20k from my father. I don't remember the exact figures. 10 to 20k from my father. That was first time I was taking the money from him to execute the trade in stock market. I've executed a trade. It's been profitable. Second trade, profitable. Third trade, I have been to over trading, and like I have put all of my capital in it, and that being zero. After that incident, my father has zero trust on me. No, it doesn't. It was not the matter of money. I have simply asked my father what's the matter. Like I was making profit from last 1 year, and for like 2 to 3 trades, you have no trust on me. He said that the main thing is not the money. The main thing is that why have you overtraded if you have if you are being profitable enough. And that there was a second turning point of my life, from like it was the negative turning point of my life. I have stopped exercising. I have stopped doing self improvement. I have stopped my stock market. For next 7 to 8 months, basically for next 8 months, I have did zero progress in my life. I had again I went to like 95 kgs. Yes, from 65 in next 8 months I went 95. My cheeks are like this much grown, like my jawline is over here. So I was like a pig. You see a pig that fat, like sitting inside dirty water. I was like that. I don't remember the date, but in November 2020, November 2023, I have started realizing again that I have to be that Raj again. Like, I have started that stuff again, all my self improvement and all, and like I have basically succeeded in that on first of on 11th. Yes, on that same day, on 11th of January 2024, I have been lean again. I have that much knowledge now that in 3 months, yes, in 3 months, I have lost 30 kgs of weight, and then I have bulked up again. Uh, in my first video, I have told that 21st of May I have finished my bulk, and now I am cutting down. So I will cut for like next 3 months, and then I'll again bulk for 3 months. It's my cycle. Yeah, I am not looking like that much great. Like I have cutted, I have bulked a lot. Bro, my genetics was like shit genetics, worst genetics, worst genetics that you can have is Indian genetics, bro. In Indian genetics, you are not like fat. You are not even skinny. You are not even skinny fat. You are skinny from your entire body, and the only area you are fat is your stomach. Like you look like bro shit in India. There are some people that look very nice. Basically, if you meet me face to face, I look great. Yeah, I am. Actually, I look so. I am telling. I look like beast. Why I'm looking like that, my hairs are like that. I have waken up like 4 a.m. and it's been 5:15 when I am recording this video. I haven't bath. I just wake up at 4 a.m. I come to my terrace and I was sitting over here, just recognizing everything, meditating, um, analyzing the environment and doing all this stuff. So this is my life story. If you want to learn something about anything I have said in this entire story, you can tell me. I'll make a full guide on that video. Thank you.